Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. New syllabus Mathematics Chapter number 11 Triangle, Quadrilateral and Polygons. Exercise 11A. Question number 2. Now we will start question number 2. In question number 2, for each of the following given angle is a base angle of an isosceles triangle. Find the third angle of triangle. Here four parts. First of all, we will discuss about that isosceles triangle. We draw an isosceles triangle and discuss about it. A triangle having two equal or same sides connecting with the angles are also equal is called a isosceles triangle. First part 40 degree. Now we will given angle is a base angle, then two angles are same. We find the third angle. Let us suppose that the third angle is x degree. Then we have x plus 40 is equal to 180 because the sum of a triangle is a 180 degree. Now x plus 40 is equal to 180. Here we can add the angle 40 plus 40, then we have find that x degree plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we will move that 80 from other side. X is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to x is equal to 100 degree. Then we will move next part, find the third angle of a isosceles triangle. We draw the same triangle and having the two sides are equal and two angles are also equal. Here given angle is a base angle of 87 degree. Now we will find that the third angle is a x degree. We have x plus 87 is equal to 180 degree. Now we will add 87 plus 87, then we have find that x plus 147 degree is equal to 180 degree. We can write that x is equal to 180 minus 174 degree is equal to x is equal to 6 degree. Similarly, we can move that part C. We can write that the angle is a 15 degree. Here we draw the same triangle having the two sides are equal and two angles are also equal. Now the given angle is a base angle, then two angles are same. Then we can find the third angle. We can write that angle x degree be the third angle. We have write that x plus 15 degree plus 15 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then we can add 30 plus 30. We can write that x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we can write x is equal to 180 minus 30 is equal to x is equal to 150 degree. Now we solve last part D part 79 degree. Here we can also draw the triangle and write that the definition of isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, then two angles are equal. Here in D part 79 degree is a base angle. Then two angles are same. Now we can find the third angle. Let us suppose that third angle is a x degree. So we can write that x plus 79 is equal to 180. We can add 79 plus 79 is equal to 158. Then x degree plus 158 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 minus 158. Then the final answer x is equal to 22 degree. The question number 2 of exercise 11A will be complete. Next question in next lecture. Thank you.